Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check it out, a 1966 Pontiac GTO. Powered by a 389, 335 horse, 4-barrel rebuilt engine. Stock manifolds, TH350 trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory 10-bolt with a 323 gear so you can go cruising. Real nice original car here. Body's real straight. Your quarter panels are all original. Interior's real nice. Factory buckets. Your seat belts are intact. Center console. Factory shifter. An upgraded radio with 6x9s in the back, and we'll go through that as we walk around this nice car here. What a great stance. GTO, guys and gals, just beautiful. This lines up great. Let me get down on this so you can take a look how straight this is. This thing is straight. Southern California car here. That's where it spent its whole life. All right, let's get up and close with this sucker. Chrome bumper, chrome bezels around your lights. Everything is working intact. Your lights, your blinkers, your turn signals, which are your blinkers, because I'm old school. Love that nose. Got one tiny little aging spot here. We all get them, especially at this old of our age. But that's it. I'm supposed to show you closer. Look at how it lines up, just the way it should. No stories. All your chrome handles, vent windows, your front glass and chrome and wipers are all intact. Glass is in good shape. Roof line is good. All your chrome is good. All your glass on the driver's side and rear window are good. Trying to find something. I can't find it. It's a factory color code car. Trunk lines up great. Rear chrome bumpers in great shape. Great shine to it. Your rear glass is good. A couple little scuffs in it, but it's good. Passenger quarters good. Passenger glass is good with the vent and mirror antennas on there. Look at how it lines up. That's the way it should. Don't see any flaws in the paint. This thing was well maintained. Very well maintained. What a great face. Check out the cabin. Bucket seats. Seat belts are intact. Underneath is clean. carpets are in good shape. 6x9s in the back. Your headliner's in great shape. Nice car. No cracks in the dash. Sun visors are intact. Really nice car. Oh, your weather stripping is good. All the way throughout, fresh, fresh, fresh. All the way through. Look at that, original quarters. Original quarters. The trunk is in good shape, no stories. Spare tire jack, all intact. Nice, nice car. Original welds. All your original welds. Closes the way it should. Let's check out this 389. And we'll fire it up for you. Clean cabin underneath here. Looks like your power booster's fresh. Power steering. Newer alternator. All your belts and hoses are done. Antifreeze has been checked, negative 22. Super, super clean. Wonderful car, wonderful car. All right, let's give it a little gas. Let's see what we got here. All your gauges are working, but your temperature gauge is not hooked up. Nice. $20,019 on the speedometer. Listen to it one more time. That engine's quiet. It's a real nice car. No disappointments on this one. Give it a little bit more gas. If you're looking to do any financing with us and you're anywhere from a 625 to a 739, please go directly to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, minimum 10% down, 84 months. We'll get it called in. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. 84 months, good rates. Usually, sometimes within 24 hours, you'll have your approval, maybe no money down. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We're open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, 10 till 2 on Saturday, by appointment only. You could reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We have shipping all over the United States, enclosed and open. Please text me or call me with your zip code, and I will get you quotes on getting it delivered, bonded, and insured to your front door. Again, the number is 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 vehicles in stock, pictures, video, as well as description at mgmclassiccars.com. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as like us on Facebook at Tri-State Auto Wholesalers, mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks, everybody. You'll be seeing me soon.